How to stay consistent with the Quran after Ramadan ends. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. In our last video, we spoke about why many Muslims struggle to stay consistent with the Quran during Ramadan. Today, we are continuing that conversation with something just as important: how to carry the spiritual momentum of Ramadan into the rest of the year and turn it into a lifelong habit. Ramadan is coming to an end. Some of us strengthen our bond with the Quran, alhamdulillah. Others may feel they fell short. No matter where you are, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end, because there's a bonus tip that can truly change how you build consistency. Let's start with the simple truth about habits. Habits are not built on motivation alone. They are built on prioritization. And prioritization always requires sacrifice. If reading the Quran is important, it cannot be something you do when you have time. It must be scheduled. A fixed time, a fixed place, without distraction, because a distraction will slowly pull you back into the same cycle every year. But structure alone is not enough. You must also understand why the Quran matters. Dear brothers and sisters, we are Muslims, alhamdulillah. The Quran has a right over us to be read, learned, and understood. Imagine standing on the day of judgment when the Quran will testify either for you or against you. Your relationship with it is not optional. It directly impacts your akhirah. This is not just good habit, it's a responsibility. Now comes the mindset shift. Be honest about your level and grow step by step. If you struggle to recite, focus on learning recitation. If you can recite, improve your tajweed. If tajweed is strong, begin memorization. Progress, not perfection, is what sustains long-term commitment. So how do you make this practical? Quran Majeed app is always there to help you in your Quran journey. First, use prayer alarms not only as reminder for salah, but also as cues to read Quran even if it's a few verses. Second, create a smart listening routine. Listen to a surah, read it, then listen again. Repetition builds a familiarity and confidence. Third, if you want structure and accountability, consider guided learning through the Quran Majeed Academy. And now the bonus tip. Use the daily Quranic journey feature to start a streak. Consistency creates momentum, and momentum creates identity. These small daily activities help you spend meaningful time with the Quran and slowly turn effort into habit. Dear brothers and sisters, the Quran is not just a book for Ramadan. It's your companion for life. Don't wait for the next Ramadan to restart. Begin now. Train before the marathon begins. Start today and let the Quran walk with you all year long.